Congratulations on choosing Andy's Broos Lawn Aerator Shoes. Assembling the shoes is quick and easy. Follow these instructions. Start with the nails. Place one at a time in the holes. Secure with a nut. And tighten with the provided wrench. Make sure all nails and nuts are securely tightened before each use. The nails may loosen up after intense use. Remember that we provide extra nails and nuts for your convenience. The straps included with your aerator shoes come in 3 different sizes. Short straps for the front position, labeled F for front. When threading the straps into the platforms, make sure the labels on the buckles are facing down. Medium-sized straps for the 2 middle positions, labeled M for middle. Long straps for the rear position, labeled R for rear. When you finish tightening the straps, there may be an excess that could stand in your way. We provide longer straps to accommodate multiple types of shoes and sizes. To get rid of the excess, cut it with a sharp scissor. If you feel comfortable dealing with fire, we recommend that you seal the end of each strap using a lighter or a match. This will prevent threads from fraying. The flame should come in contact with the strap for only 2 seconds. Don't overdo it as it is unnecessary and may pose a fire risk. After you're done with the assembly, put the shoes on while in a seated position and directly on your lawn. When you finish aerating your lawn, there's no need to disassemble the shoes. Store the already assembled pair in the storage bag that we provide. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us at customer.support@andysbroos.com. Our team will always be ready to assist you.